Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone mobile data not connecting to the internet. Now I'm going to show you this is the easiest way. The first thing that you're going to do is just basically scroll down here and you're going to go ahead and turn on your cellular data. That's it. Now if say for example that is not working, I'm going to show you some workaround. I'm going to go ahead and open the settings here and tap on the cellular. And then from here, there are two things that we're going to do. First, go ahead and click the cellular data options. And if, say, for example, you are in a different place or different country, I want you to go ahead and turn on data roaming. Now, I want you to take a look at this one, reading this one. Basically, what it's telling you is that if you are in a different place that's not connected by your cellular provider, what's going to happen is it's going to consume more data. So yeah, in my case, I've turned that on. Another thing that you're seeing is voice and data right here. Make sure that you have enabled 5G on. In some places, LTE is already too crowded. So if you're going to continuously use that, it's going to burn more data on your end, but with a lesser or slower service. So turn on a 5G on, or better yet, turn on 5G auto. That is going to switch from 5G to LTE depending on the capacity of your phone and also with the signal provided. And yeah, from this point forward, one last thing, make sure you don't turn on the low data mode. It's gonna basically stop your phone from consuming more data in order to turn it or to make it faster. And yeah, those are the ways in order for us to fix our iPhone mobile data when it's not connecting to the internet.